Team take profits on the move, the movement is real. 50 pips a day, watch the money drip. Pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, representing Team Take Profits, and I'm here with my man Joe from Trade and Get Paid.
Hey, what's good, everybody? Hey, you can follow me on YouTube. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button on Trade and Get Paid. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram. You know how we do it. Let's go.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And today, first of all, it's been a minute since I made a video. I've been grinding. We just trying to perfect the Trend Trading Academy website and our mentorship. We work together, all right? Trade and Get Paid, Team Take Profits coming together, and we created Trend Trading Academy. So we're just trying to perfect it every day for you guys. Yeah. So what I wanted to talk about was when to hold a trade and when to get out. Just keep it as a scalp or a day trade. Don't even try to hold it for 80, 60 pips, 100 pips. So let's talk about that, because I get a lot of comments of people saying, yo, when do I hold it? How long do I hold it? How do I know to get out? You know, guys, I'm going to keep it all the way real with you. I'm going to lace you all the way up because I want you guys to become independent traders so you can get your time freedom back and start empowering people around you. Right. So I'm going to get right to the point. If you're finding your trade on the 1 hour or below, which is 30 minute, 15, 5 minute, all that, right? Then you probably want to take profit. You're probably finding structured levels that's really not the big scheme of things. It's not really the daily time frame structured levels, because pretty much the market is waves with inside of waves, right? You see a certain Elliott wave, a wave leg 3 on the daily time frame. That's going to be some other wave leg on the lower time frames. Right. So it's waves with inside of waves, right? So if you're finding trade setups on a 1 hour or the 15 minute time frame, you're just probably inside of a bigger wave, a bigger move. So it's best to just take profit, all right, and compound your money. Joe, what do you think about holding the trade? Like, when should you hold the trade? We call that a runner. Let's catch a runner. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I think what's powerful is, I love what you alluded to just a minute ago about waves within waves. In fact, that's what, I taught the class in our private class just this couple weeks ago about currency cycling. And currency cycling is powerful because when you understand that a full, let's just say 5 series wave on the 1 hour might be a wave 1 on the daily. So when you see what happens as a full cycle on the 1 hour has to happen 4 times to cycle the 4 hour.
Wow.
When you see it on the 4 hour, that has to cycle 6 times to cycle the daily. When you see that happen on the daily, that has to cycle 7 times to cycle the weekly.
Joe, you just laced my people up, bro.
That's where it's at.
Y'all need to, keep talking, but y'all need to rewind what he just said. All right, and really don't just hear it. I want you to see it on the charts. Go back test what he just said. Powerful, bro. Yeah,
and so it all comes down to market structure. And so everything is confluence and bringing things together. So when you see a cycle on, let's say, the 30-minute chart, and it's coming to a completion, that second cycle on the 30-minute chart will also bring the 1 hour to completion. So that's real important. So if you have a secondary cycle on the 30-minute that's coming to completion at the same time as the 1 hour is coming to completion, if that's approaching a level of market structure at, let's say, a resistance or a support, depending on what kind of trade you're in, that probably tells you it might be time to go ahead and take profit because a cycle is coming to a close at a level of structure, right? So that's called confluence. That's when you have numerous things happening at one time. Now, on the bigger time frame, like Jay said, if you have a 30-minute cycle that's coming to a close, so that means it's closing the 1 hour cycle, but now you might be only on cycle number 2 of the 4 hour. So if you're not at a level of structure, it could be that the 4 hour still has room to extend. Or if it's on the daily, it might still have room to extend. So it's very, very important that you understand how each time frame works together, because that's really how you're going to understand where to get in and where to hold. Also, the last thing I'll say before I pass it back to Jay is look at where you are in the week and where you are in the larger time frame candle. Remember this, guys. The last 30% of a candle is the most important part of the candle. It's not about where you came from. It's about where you're going, right? So if a candle starts out and then suddenly you start to see it wick out, many times at the end, that thing will start to push back up. And at the end of a candle cycle, that's where you're going to see who's really pushing for the next candle to start, right?
Powerful.
So if you understand all of that and put that together, understand the currency cycle, the price action or the candles and how they're moving, how they're closing, and then are we approaching a level of structure, or are we still in the middle? Are we at a golden zone? Are we at a pivot? Where are we? And if we're in the middle where we're not approaching a level that could reverse me, then I got to look to the next time frame up and see, do I still have another extension available?
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get
If not, time to take profit. If so, you could hold on to it. That's how you catch runners.
Bro. Hey, that's enough, bro. That's enough game, bro. That was, bro, hey, y'all, I got to label this video advanced because this is, I know all my beginner people, some of that went over your head. You're going to have to watch this video a few times. This man just laced y'all up. Y'all just don't even know. If this is like, can y'all just imagine what the people in the academy is getting? Like, we're lacing them up every week. Joe, you teach your class on Thursdays at 7.
Thursday at 7 p.m.
Eastern time. I teach mine on Tuesday, intermediate, right? People that's crossing over from beginner to intermediate, I teach it a Tuesday at 7 Eastern. So, and then we got Robert teaching people from the beginner level Monday at 7. So you're going to go through each level, beginner, intermediate to advanced. And I like being in the middle. I love being intermediate because I could touch on the beginners, and then I could cross over to advanced.
And when you're advanced, you can see many things happening with one pattern, with one move, and that's when you become an advanced trader.
So if you found this video helpful, got some nuggets out of this, don't forget to like it. All right, please take 2 seconds to like the video. You know what? Subscribe to his YouTube channel, Trade and Get Paid. Link in the description and the comment section. All right, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because this Saturday I'm gonna be dropping a whole nother video. Okay, my whole week's worth of trades. I'm gonna scalp for the whole week and show you the profits and show you how I did it. Entries and exits, whatever, right? So don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and let's make this money, baby. Peace.
Today, watch the money drip. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. 50 pips a day, watch the money drip. 50 pips a day, watch the money drip. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. I wanted more life. Now I got more life. I wanted more life. Now I got more life. Living my best life. I'm living my best life. God has been good to me, so I give him my whole life. 50 pips a day, watch the money drip. 50 pips a day, watch the money drip. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills.